Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a rice hair mask for hair growth. This simple, natural treatment can significantly improve your hair's health and appearance. Rice water is packed with essential nutrients that strengthen your hair from the roots, making it more resilient. You'll love how easy it is to prepare and incorporate into your routine for visibly healthier hair. Now let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need just 1/2 cup of uncooked white rice and 2 cups of water. First, rinse the rice very well under cold water to remove any dirt or extra starch. Then, place the clean rice in a bowl and add the 2 cups of water. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours to allow the nutrients to infuse. After soaking, strain the rice water into a clean spray bottle or a bowl. This is your potent hair mask. Apply the rice water generously to your scalp and work it through your hair, ensuring every strand is coated from roots to ends. Take about 5 minutes to gently massage your scalp, stimulating blood flow. Then, let the mask sit for approximately 20 minutes before rinsing. Once the 20 minutes are up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner to ensure all residue is removed. For optimal results and noticeable hair growth, aim to use this nourishing rice hair mask 1 to 2 times per week. It's a fantastic natural boost for your hair's health. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.